My name is Robert Bochmann and I am an application engineer at the company Rihau. This video is about post-processing. Means we begin with the profile scraper and finish with the buffing wheel. First, let's examine the profile scraper blade, or also known as the radius scraper blade. I additionally removed the small leaflet, which essentially serves as the tool, and it moves alongside the component subsequently. What does that create? It creates a chip of a scraper blade. He looks something like this. It is important to note that the thickness should not exceed 0.2 millimeter. In the event of white breakage, as observed in the radius area, it is advisable to use an additional anti-white breakage scraper blade. What's the diff here? Here you can see that it's not just a simple polish, but also a small counter polish. Next, the flat bricks or the adhesive bricks come as the next unit. This one is like a small knife and commences from the top into the component and exerts a single pull over the glue joint until reaching the back. The cutting edges should not protrude into the component, but always tend to be slightly, whoever wants a number, approximately. Be inclined 2 deg away from the component. The whole purpose of this is to prevent these seedlings from ever submerging into the surface and damaging the surface. Let's move on to the next unit, the buffing disc. It is generally very important that there is always some moisture on the wobble disc. Why? To avoid heat buildup. Also, ensure the polishing disc always rotates in sync, not in the opposite direction. For moisture, especially in bathroom or kitchen applications, ensure edge band has minimal overhang above panel to prevent damage. Means we have indeed made a measuring gauge specifically for this case with 1/10 and with 2.5 tenths. The measurement of 2.5 tenths should always extend beyond the edge band, as observed from the surface. If I flip the measuring gauge to 1/10, I should always hook slightly into the edge band, so I can be sure that the edge band has an overhang. Reached end of video. Have perfect component in hands, so possess machine falling quality from post-processing and joint can be visually evaluated nicely.